chow into it. All right, y'all, what's going on? It's day 2. Let's get some grub. I told y'all we're gonna eat out, so it's time to get some food. I'm feeling like pizza, so I think I'm gonna take y'all to my spot up in Pasadena, Maryland. It's called And Pizza. They have a few all over the state of Maryland. I don't know if they have them where you're at, but I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna put together a vegan pie and I'll show you what I get. All right, so I got the pie. I went to And Pizza where you can customize your pie. They have a few different options that you can get that are veganized. Some people do the cheese, some people do no cheese, and by cheese I mean vegan cheese, of course. Don't go in there ordering some dairy. This is what it looks like. Q to the B-roll. But I got vegan sausage, onion, vegan cheese, and mushrooms. So after it's all done cooking, I get some sauce put on it. Let's see, let me get my face out of it. And some buffalo sauce on it, and let's just chow into it. So when I go here, this is probably my second best vegan pizza. Let's see, probably Saturday or Sunday, I'll show y'all what my first best pizza is. It's not this. This is good though. The cheese tastes good. It doesn't taste like glue. It doesn't stink, and it melts. My pizza also makes a really good pizza. I feel like they kind of come in second to And Pizza. But I highly recommend it. They got other stuff there, like you can get basil, you can get pineapples. As you can see, pineapple don't go on pizza, at least not for this video. Their crust kind of reminds me of like Domino's. If you ever had Domino's. So this is day 2 of veganuary though, right? So throughout this journey, I really want to hear from you guys as far as what you're needing, what you're missing on your journey. If you're just getting started with vegan, or if you're coming back to vegan, I really want to help you throughout this whole process because it's hard for a lot of people. Like I said, I've been doing it for about 7 years now. I think it is either 6 or 7 years. The time is getting away from me. It was 2017, so you guys do the math. I'm sorry, I gotta get another bite. It's too good today. The sausage is really firm. They're never really, what's the word I'm looking for? They never really hold back from giving you sausage either. You know, I felt like when I used to be a non-vegan, you order like a pepperoni pizza or something, it seemed like they would skimpy out on some of the toppings. But I feel like maybe they don't get a lot of people who get the vegan sausage. So when I go there, I just add the vegan sausage. It's pretty good. And they normally give me a good amount. They also have vegan garlic knots, which are really good. I don't know if you can see that, but the cheese is like really melty. It kind of liquefies a little bit, so it's not like a dairy cheese where it kind of gets real like clumpy, I guess. It gets, I guess, a little bit more liquidy, but it's really good still. I ordered that in between my work, so actually I get back to work. I got a house to show in about another 30 minutes. So I really want to hear from you guys on this journey. Please let me know what I can do to help you below. Hope you guys check out And Pizza because it is definitely worth every penny. If you join their text club, you get deals. So I got this for $8.99, I believe, today. But that's all I have for you today. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We're going to try a different recipe tomorrow. Eat grass, not ass. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.